Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening o anong oras nyo napanood ang video ito. Welcome sa ating channel, Matuto Dapat. This is your teacher, your professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia. And our topic for this day is the application of first order differential equation, RL circuit, part 2. So, yung nauna nating lesson, so this is the continuation. Okay? So again, our formula to solve this problem, the RL circuit is L times di dt plus IR equals E. And di dt is the change in current at time t. The resistance R, ang unit niya ay ohms. Ang L natin or inductance in henries. I is current in amperes. T in time, and E is the voltage source in volts. So again, that is our diagram, no, of the RL circuit. The source, the voltage source, the switch, and this is the resistors, and then this is the inductor. Okay, we have example. The RL circuit series where the resistors of 5 ohms and an inductor of 2 henries are connected to a battery. When the switch is open, the current is 0 and the current is 10 amperes after 2 seconds when the switch is closed. What is the amount of the battery in volts? So, yung energy o yung power ng battery ang hinahanap natin. Ang given natin, ang ating resistance ay 5 ohms, ang ating inductance ay 2 henries, ang ating current is 10 amperes when the time is 2 second. We are asked to solve for the volts, okay, or the power source. Okay, using our equation, L times di dt plus IR equals E. So we have to uh, substitute the given. So ang ating inductor is 2 times di dt plus 5 ang ating resistance. So 5 times I equals E. Okay? Next, we have to divide 2 both sides or multiply it by 1/2 para makancel natin siya dito, no? So that is di dt plus 2.5i. Si 5 divided 2 ay 2.5. So 2.5i equals E over 2. And kapag transpose natin to dito sa kabilang side, we found, makukuha natin di dt is equal to 0.5 o yung 1/2 nitong E. Okay, this 1 over 2 or 1/2. So 0.5 E minus 2.5 I. Okay, so transpose natin sa kabila. And gagamit tayo ng variable separable. So we are using now variable separable wherein yung ating di dapat yung I doon kasama, no, is equal. So di over 0.5 E minus 2.5 I equals dt. Okay? So we have the condition at time is 0, current is 0. And after 2 seconds, when the switch is closed, after 2 seconds, the current is 10 amperes. Okay, so we are using the limits in integral. So you have the integral of di over 0.5 e minus 2.5 I. The limit is 0 to 10, no? Ganon din dito. So the integral of dt. So when the time is 0, kaya ang limit natin 0, okay, when I is 0. But when the time is 2 seconds, ang ating I ay 10 amperes. Okay? Next, we have to solve the integral. uh, in this case, we have to let u as 0.5e minus 2.5i. And then the du is the du is negative 2.5 di kasi ito magiging 0 since constant. So derivative nito ay 0. So ang derivative ng negative 2.5i is negative 2.5 di. Okay? So again, ayan. So ang ating du ay negative 2.5 di. Okay? Tapos kapag isolve natin si di to find di, so we have negative 0.4 du. Okay? So ito inulit lang natin, no? Kinapi lang natin para makita natin na di equals now negative 0.4 du. Okay? So since gumamit tayo ng du dito, so ito na du over u na tayo. So unless negative 0.4 du, so negative 0.4 tayo dito sa labas ng integral. So du over u is equal to the integral of dt, where limits dito ay 0 to 2 and 0 to 10 dito sa kabila. Okay? So this is L in u. Okay? So ang u natin ay 0.5 e minus 2.5i. Pero mayroon tayong limit. This is 0 to 10. Okay. Okay, this is 0 to 10. And then we have the limits ng ating t from 0, okay, hanggang 2. So yun yung limit natin, no? Okay, now distribute natin yung limit. So you have times 10 here and then 0 dito. Minus tayo ang ginagamit natin. Okay. So negative 0.4 times ln of 0.5e minus 2.5 times 10 minus the ln of 0.5e minus 2.5 times 0 equals 2 minus 0. So ito magiging 0 na to. Okay. Magiging 0 na yon. So we have now negative 0.4 times ln of 0.5 minus 25 minus ln of 0.5 equals 2. Tapos ito para matanggal natin dyan, so multiply natin ang negative 1 over negative 0.4. So para makancel natin to. Okay? So ganun na po ang resulta. Na-cancel natin to and then we have to multiply 2 times 1 over negative 0.1, that is negative 5. Kasi ito ay 5 over 2. Ang 0.4 ay 5 over 2. So reciprocal. Kaya na-cancel ang 2 and then 5 ang sa ibabaw. So negative 5 na siya. Next, ito, gagawin natin dito, since minus to, the law of logarithm, kapag minus to, so i-divide natin itong ilo-logarithm natin. Okay? So, you have ln of ito, kaya naka-divide kasi because of minus sign here. So, ln of 0.5e minus 25 over 0.5e equals negative 5. Ngayon, tanggalin natin itong ln, lalagyan natin ng e both sides. Okay? So, e both sides of the equations. So, alam natin, e to ln, makakancel natin yan. Okay? So, kaya matitira ay ito na lang. No? So, ayan, yan. No? So, again, ika-cancel natin itong ating e and ln. Okay? Kaya ito na lang natitira natin. And then, i-cross-multiply natin. Cross-multiply natin yung dalawa. And then we come up 0.5e minus 25 equals 0.5e times e raised to negative 5. Tapos ito, kung mayroon silang common na e, so lipat natin ito sa kabila. Transpose natin, kaya ito ay maging 0.5e minus 0.5e times e raised to negative 5. Tapos ang 25, ilipat natin sa kabila. Yung negative 25, so maging positive 25. Okay, tapos i-factor out natin si E. Okay, common factor in E. So, labas natin ang E. So, yan po, no? So, 0.5 minus 0.5 E raised to negative 5 na siya equals 25. Okay, then to solve for E, so divide natin ng 0.5 minus 0.5 E raised to negative 5 both sides. Okay, so ito po ang ating equation. Then, we have now E. Using the calculator, kukumpute natin, and we have the value of E. So, this is our voltage source. So, ang E natin ay 50.34 volts. Yan. So, this is your activity to answer. Okay, 1 and 2. So, I hope you learned from this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Maraming salamat. God bless.